Go.
If I get hit, I'm gonna be pissed.
I'm the cameraman. Stop.
You guys are horrible at this jizz. I felt that.
Did you?
Yeah.
I can't zoom in on this piece of shit.
This piece of shit, and you were saying that you have a better phone now.
Yeah, my iPhone sucks. Don't give me that look. Don't give me that look.
My phone's better.
Don't give me that look or I won't delete this video. Oh my god, give me that.
Oh!
Damn it.
Yes. No. Okay.
We just wrecked all the notepads or the mouse pads.
Okay, we have to finish this.
What'd you say? What'd you say? What'd you say back?
No, don't. I didn't say anything yet. Oh, yeah.
Ow, that didn't mean the ass.
Oh!
What?
First.
Let me see it now.
No, let me read it. Let me read it.
Read it out loud.
Okay.
Oh! What the hell?
Fuck.
Okay, say it. Out loud. That's not funny.
Okay, and first that.
Stop! Oh my god.
First one, that's how it never fucking happened. For 2, I don't like you. 3, spread all the rumors you like because they're true. And goodbye, nasty ass bitch.
Oh shit. Should we text her back saying that it was a joke and it was actually Kelly?
No!
Why?
She pissed at me. Like, fine, bitch, it's going down.
No, keep it and then on Facebook I'll tag her and she'll see it and then she'll be like, oh, it was all a joke. I'm sorry, Daniel. Oh shit.